Good morning, everyone. This is Rahan. I am from Bakalia, Karbi Anglong district, Assam. In my families, apart from my parents, I have two sisters and two brothers. I have completed my graduation from Rokasen College in 2015. My hobbies are reading books and making articles. That's all about me. Today, I'm going to publish one of my new YouTube channel, and that is the Grammary of 4G with all Keha languages. In this channel, you will be learn all the important rules of grammars with four languages. These languages are Karbi, English, Hindi and Assamese. Here you will be got some easier tips of spoken and writings. So guys, don't miss to watch my videos. Try to forward and do subscribes please. Hut tens kupia phansi kipu ke claim ke pachun apora phansi hut pulo. Sai hut sonthomdo. Chu hut past tense, non hut, present tense, mo hut, future tense. Chuhut past tense ke claim tang akam apor aphan chuhut pulo. Chuhut aor son plido ke chengsi chuhut parni simple past. Aduntu chuhut claim boy past continuous. Lapentu chuhut tanglo past perfect ke jutsi chuhut tangbom past perfect continuous. Puhenlo. Non hut present tense. Kam chengchit mate claim bom ahut aphan non hut pulo. Non hut aphan son pli aor thak nei. Number 1 non hut parni simple present tense. Number 2 non hut claim boy present continuous. Non hut tanglo present perfect. Non hut tangbom present perfect continuous. Mohut future tense. Aprang ke bang bom ahut aphan mohut pulo. Mohut aphan tha son pli aor thak nei. Number 1 mohut parni simple futures. Number 2 mohut claim boy future continuous. Number 3 mohut tanglo future perfect. Number 4 mohut tangbom future perfect continuous. Puhenlo.